Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. Have you ever come across the unsettling message that says Local Security Authority protection is off on your computer? If you've encountered this message, it's important to address it as it relates to the security of your system. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step troubleshooting process to help you understand and resolve the Local Security Authority protection is off issue, ensuring your computer's security is up to par. Here we have some solutions to help you enhance your computer's security. Solution 1. Enable Local Security Authority via Windows Security app. Solution 2. Run Windows Security. Solution 3. Check for Windows updates. Solution 4. Uninstall recently installed third-party applications. Solution 5. Repair and reset the Windows Security application. Now, before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1. Enable Local Security Authority via Windows Security app. The first step is to enable the Local Security Authority on your Windows system via Security Protection. Here's how you can do it. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Security and launch it. In Windows Security, you will see an option that says Device Security. Click Core Isolation Details. In Core Isolation, you will see the Local Security Authority Protection toggle. Turn it on. Then, click Yes in the UAC prompt that appears. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 2. Run Windows Security. Here you need to run Windows Security, which can identify and address security-related issues. Here's how you can do it. Open Windows Security. In the Windows Security window, click on Virus and Threat Protection, and then run a full scan. Allow Windows Security to check for and resolve any security concerns. Solution 3. Check for Windows updates. Several users on a Microsoft community reported that the bug that turns off the Local Security Authority protection feature originated with a Windows update. So, updating your operating system to the latest version will fix this. Press Windows +I to open the Settings app. Go to Update and Security, and click on Windows Update. Next, click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer if prompted. Solution 4. Uninstall recently installed third-party applications. If you have recently installed a third-party app, especially from a shady source, and subsequently experienced the error, then the app might be malicious and needed to be uninstalled ASAP. Press the Windows +I key to open the Settings app and navigate to Apps and then on the installed apps. Here, sort the apps according to the date installed, find the latest app, and uninstall it. Solution 5. Repair and reset the Windows Security application. The problematic Windows Security app can also turn off this security feature. So, repairing and resetting the Windows Security app works for you to solve the error. Press Windows +I to bring up the Settings app. Then, navigate to Apps and then on Installed Apps. Scroll through the list of apps to locate the security program. Once you've found it, click on the 3 horizontal dots on its right and select Advanced Options from the menu. And from here choose the Repair or Reset option to fix the error. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and address the Local Security Authority protection is off issue on your Windows computer. Ensuring your system is secure is crucial in today's digital world. I hope this troubleshooting guide was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and security advice. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.